So essentially this encounter is now over, but the police station has been on fire. A little after 6 this morning, we had terrorists who actually stormed into the police station dressed in army uniform and opened indiscriminate fire. So one policeman and one civilian has been killed. Nazir Masoodi brings us this ground report.
Releasing militants like, and releasing separatists like Masrat Alam that has rattled the parliament, and now the rattle of these bullets will be now heard in parliament as well in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. And Chief Minister Mufti Muhammad Saeed is making a statement. He was already supposed to, make his speech in the Assembly, J&K Assembly at 3 p.m. today, but certainly that will be dominated what happened today, because this attack is not attack where 3 security force personnel lost their lives, but also about the larger security situation in the wake of the peace agenda by both BJP and PDP. Now the BJP is saying they will not allow any dilution in Armed Forces Special Powers Act. I spoke to the BJP MLA from Kutwa, he was here. I spoke to him a while back. He said nothing doing when in the wake of this type of attacks, they cannot allow any dilution or the revocation or partial revocation from any areas. But now all the 2 militants have been killed who crossed the international border this morning and then reached here in a vehicle, stormed the police station, killed 2 CRPF men and a policeman, injured 9 others including a DSP, and now they have been eliminated, they have been killed, weapons have been recovered. Mopping operation was carried out to see if there are any unexploded grenades or other ammunition there. That has also been finished. That is why you see large number of people actually coming, literally celebrating the killing of these militants here in Kutwa, where people were really anxious what will happen, because there were reports that 2 detainees were in the police station. What has happened to them? Now we have been told they are safe. Both the detainees are safe, whether they have managed to flee or they were safe inside the room, because these militants, when they stormed the police station, they were confined into the Munshiat, in the Munshi's office, and then the CRPF, they took positions on the rooftop of that police station, and the policemen, most of them who they were managed to, their security force managed to evacuate them. They were rescued safely, and then the final assault was launched on these militants. And after army and security forces launched final assault, they fired mortar shells, they used machine guns and all the weaponry to eliminate these militants in shortest possible time without taking further casualties.